Meron yan.
Pig.
Daddy parang pinasoplan naman natin. Ano ito? Ang bangat ng manok.
Yummy.
Ice jam.
Flower.
Yummy, yummy. Ice jam, ice jam. Yummy, yummy. Ice jam, ice jam. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Salad. Yummy, yummy.
Let's eat the fruit salad.
Let's make a fruit salad today. That to do the healthy way. To do the good. Let's do it all again real soon. First step, peel the bananas. The second step, chop up some grapes. Oh, talaga.
Yellow.
Ano yun?
Orange.
What do you mean orange?
Wow.
Ah, hindi. Ayusin mo. Sabi mo, ang taas dito.
I just wait. No ice cream.
Ubus na. Sabi mo, ubus na.
Say,
Matigas pala to.
what could it be? Do you out with?
What's in the box? What could it be?
Something inside.
Do you want to
Something
take
inside.
something out with me? Ask help to daddy. Si daddy, daddy.
No.
Wow! Hey guys!
Yeah.
Big eyes. Come on. Big eyes. Are you awake?
Iced tea na naman.
Hindi, ikaw.
Parang walang
Pala
kulay.
sa
Yeah.
Ah. Are you awake? Macy, are you awake? Are you awake? Are you awake? Ikaw na. Are you awake? Are you awake?
Mamaya gawin yun sa lolo na.
Sino mo?
Yeah.
Sino mo daddy? Ano mo daddy ko? Are you awake?
Ah!
What's in that?
What's
Pouch.
in the pouch? What could it be? Do you want to take something out with me? Hey, 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 hey. You don't go to the table. Sa baba lang.
Bigyan mo na kasi yung cellphone niya. Ba, nasa na ba?
Tingnan nga yan, may camera. Hey. Shh.